Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Family bathroom design is more than just a room with a toilet and a tub. It is a specialized approach to interior architecture that prioritizes multi-generational functionality, safety, and high-traffic durability. Unlike a powder room meant for guests or a private primary ensuite, the family bathroom serves as a communal hub where the needs of toddlers, teenagers, and adults intersect. It is defined by a layout that facilitates simultaneous use, such as double vanities or partitioned toilet areas, and materials that can withstand the rigors of constant moisture and frequent cleaning. Essentially, it is the art of balancing the practical requirements of a busy household with the aesthetic desire for a beautiful, cohesive home, the primary benefit of a well-executed family bathroom. Design is the drastic reduction of morning stress and bottleneck moments when everyone is preparing for their day. By implementing smart zones and ample storage, the space becomes an efficient engine for the household, allowing multiple people to use the room without feeling cramped. Beyond mere efficiency, a dedicated design increases the safety of the home, incorporating non-slip surfaces and accessible fixtures that protect both young children and aging relatives. Furthermore, a thoughtfully designed family bathroom adds significant resale value to a property. Potential buyers often look for a bathroom that looks sophisticated, but clearly demonstrates it can handle the wear and tear of real life daily usage without requiring constant maintenance, decorating a family bathroom to look high-end, while remaining practical, requires a layered approach to design. Start with a neutral base. Think large format porcelain tiles that minimize grout lines and create a seamless, expansive feel. To elevate the look, focus on high-quality hardware like brushed gold or matte black faucets, which act as jewelry. For the room, lighting is also crucial. Move beyond a single clinical overhead light and introduce stylish wall sconces on either side of the mirror to provide a warm, flattering glow. Keep the space looking organized rather than cluttered. Utilize decorative baskets for towel storage and built-in niches in the shower to hide unsightly shampoo bottles. Adding a touch of greenery with humidity-loving plants and incorporating natural wood accents through a vanity or floating shelves will soften the hard surfaces and bring a sense of organic luxury to the space. When selecting a style for a family bathroom, the goal is timelessness, paired with ease of cleaning. The modern farmhouse style remains a top choice because its mix of sturdy shiplap, deep apron front sinks, and durable finishes can hide minor imperfections while looking incredibly cozy. For those who prefer a cleaner look, the Japandi style, blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality, is perfect for creating a serene, spa-like atmosphere that encourages relaxation. Another excellent option is the industrial chic aesthetic, which utilizes exposed pipes, concrete look tiles, and metal accents. This style is inherently rugged and can handle the heavy-duty use of a large family without showing wear. Lastly, the contemporary transitional style offers a safe middle ground, combining classic subway tiles with modern silhouettes to ensure the bathroom doesn't feel dated as the children grow older. Designing a family bathroom is one of the most rewarding investments you can make for your home. It is a space that sees your family at their most vulnerable and their most energetic, from bubbly bath times to the frantic rush of school mornings. By focusing on a layout that serves everyone and a style that brings you peace of mind, you transform a purely functional room into a sanctuary that supports your lifestyle. Remember, the best designs are the ones that work for your specific needs. So don't be afraid to customize your storage and fixtures to fit your family's unique rhythm. If you found these design tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home transformation inspiration. We want to hear from you. What is the one thing you would change about your current bathroom to make it more family-friendly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest trends in interior design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.